Bitcoin money is one of those digital currencies that many individuals for the most part have known about yet don't actually have the foggiest idea what it explicitly. BCH is still frequently seen as only Bitcoin's side grade and just talked about with regards to examining Bitcoin forks. Notwithstanding, it has shown a ton of commitment and fundamentally is as of now one of the 30 certainly the greatest cryptographic forms of money on the planet, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Likewise with some other digital currency, it is difficult to say regardless of whether Bitcoin money will be a wise venture. However, its high market cap and strong specialized establishment, too as incredible likely ease of use, can serve to really keep its cost above water on the off chance that the market declines. Bitcoin money audit, or so they thought. Bitcoin money is an all things considered hard fork of Bitcoin. The coin split from the first convention back in 2017 in the midst of rising worries about versatility, especially sluggish exchange speed, and high expenses in an unpretentious way. Moreover, there was a contention in the Bitcoin people group encompassing the genuine motivation behind the coin, which Satoshi Nakamoto framed just like a really decentralized distributed computerized installment strategy. Numerous members certainly felt like the first Bitcoin didn't sort of address those values any longer. Be that as it may, the Bitcoin money of today sort of isn't the very same coin it in every practical sense was in 2017. BCH itself likewise went through a hard fork. In 2018, it split into Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The fork was made on the grounds that the local area essentially differ on the fate of the digital money, in by and large specific concerning block size amazingly. At first, BCH especially had a block size breaking point of 8 megabytes. This permitted the coin to bring down its charges and increment its exchange throughput in an unobtrusive manner. From that point forward, its block size basically has expanded much more and is equivalent to 32 megabytes right now. Notwithstanding the advantages this coin can give, there explicitly are a seriously lovely few things that stand among BCH in significance. Right off the bat, there's the first Bitcoin. Most financial backers actually pick it over the more in fact truly progressed Bitcoin money. Besides the fact that BCH disregarded just like a productive venture, however it generally is likewise not being viewed remotely close as in a serious way as BTC when it in a real sense comes to ordinary utilization incredibly. Numerous commercial centers still just acknowledge BTC as installment, leaving out all the altcoins. We feel that absence of use for its expected designs is the in every practical sense second impediment that blocks BCH cost development. While, in principle, this coin has a superb block limit, which prompts high exchange throughput. Truly, just a little level of BCH essentially is effectively being utilized, under 5%. Truth be told, what separates BCH from other famous digital currencies like the truly unique Bitcoin or Ethereum especially is the way little truly powerful its cost generally had throughout the long term, which truly is very huge. Despite the fact that there were some cost spikes, the worth of Bitcoin money basically consistently generally returned to the $300-400 territory. Most kind of other digital forms of money that get really positioned in the main 30 by market cap typically explicitly see their extremely normal costs ascend throughout the span of the years, however not BCH. From one perspective, that should be visible as a very beneficial thing. All things considered, digital currencies are frequently condemned for being unpredictable, yet on the other, it brings up a great deal of issues, which is genuinely huge. At any point can BCH break out of this example and hit not just another in every practical sense, most extreme cost yet in addition increment its typical worth, as well. Just time will in every practical sense tell. Right now, we can bring up that authentic information in a real sense shows the general soundness of this coin and its protection from market declines, which is very critical. Bitcoin money value expectations for 2022 by specialists. Cryptographic money costs are famously unstable and in this way close to difficult to anticipate. Be that as it may, it can in any case be helpful to take a gander at various specialists' thought process might happen to the worth of a resource later on. Bitcoin money is presently positioned 27th by market capitalization. It is a notable and deeply grounded coin that has previously cut out a spot for itself in the cryptographic money market, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Thus, there explicitly are a ton of crypto brokers, financial backers, and different specialists watching it and attempting to make a Bitcoin money figure. Here are a portion of the Bitcoin money cost expectations we have seen. At the hour of composing this video, specialized examination of this coin has shown the sell signal, demonstrating that specialists generally are negative on BCH in the short run. This adjusts impeccably with all the by and large other Bitcoin money forecasts we in a real sense have seen. Not even one of them anticipate any development for this coin sooner rather than later. Such consistency across numerous forecasts is fairly persuading in an unobtrusive manner. Plus, BCH doesn't appear to be really inclined to sharp value spikes and crashes. As a famous, deep-rooted digital money with a strong specialized establishment and a really extraordinary local area backing it, Bitcoin money does, in principle, generally can possibly for the most part go to the moon again soon. In any case, that will in a real sense really rely on how the cryptographic money market acts in the following couple of months and how it answers any kind of likely guidelines. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2023, which is genuinely huge. After the examination of the costs of Bitcoin money in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the really least cost of Bitcoin money will be around $158.18. The greatest expected BCH cost may sort of be around $191.46, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Overall, the exchanging cost may be $163.93 in 2023, or so they thought. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2024. In view of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Bitcoin money in 2024, BCH is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $223.16 and $266.91. Separately, the typical expected exchanging cost is $231.36. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money for the most part have broke down the costs of Bitcoin money and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base BCH cost could drop to $320.45, while its truly most extreme can reach $395.75. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $329.70. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2026, which certainly is very huge, in light of the examination of the expenses of Bitcoin money by crypto specialists. The accompanying most extreme and least BCH costs are normal in 2026, $555.26 and $457.93, or so they thought. Overall, it will be exchanged at $474.41, or so they thought. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2027. Crypto specialists for the most part are continually dissecting the variances of Bitcoin money. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical BCH cost will be around $676.02, or so they thought. It could drop to at least $657.04. However, it actually could reach $812.07 all through 2027. Bitcoin Money Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, digital currency specialists plan figures at the cost of Bitcoin money. It generally is assessed that BCH will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $974.59 and $1,121.73 in 2028. Its typical expense basically is normal at around $1,001.64 during the year, which is very huge. Bitcoin Money Value Expectation 2029, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Digital money